Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add someone on WhatsApp. So the first step you need to follow is to open the WhatsApp. So once you open WhatsApp, you simply need to click on this plus icon, and here you can see new community, new contact, new group. So let's suppose I want to add new contact. Click on that. So here you can see save to. You can change the email, so it is up to you. You can change country from here, for example, and here you need to add phone number. You add first name, last name, and click on save. And once you done that, the number will be added in the list, so you need to simply refresh. So refresh, and you can easily add that person, and you can easily send that person message on WhatsApp. So this is a process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.